Guys, I've got a very popular new model here behind us. This is a B-MAXX PH. This is a 10K-SS. So that means this trailer behind me has 10,000 pound axles riding on super single tires. Let's start at the front of this trailer and work our way back. This trailer is equipped with a 2 5/16 ball. This comes with either a 2 5/16 or a pintle ring, depending on the GVWR or size of trailer you're getting. This one here, this hitch is from Gen Y. That's a 32,000 pound rated coupler. Trailer comes standard with your sealed wiring and your cold weather 7-way plug. Standard equipment such as safety chains, a safety breakaway with your 6-foot zip cord comes standard on the trailer. Working your way back, you're gonna notice a couple different features here. We have 2 different places to access the deck of the trailer. One is a step right up here on the front of the tongue. Next place is on your side deck. You just need a lift here to get up. Maybe go straight to crawling into your machine is right here. The bulkhead is designed so that you can shove the bucket right up inside. Then you have pockets to put your chains to pull the bucket to the front of the trailer. These are dual speed 20,000 pound jacks. Both of them are spring loaded. The frame is a solid beam from the coupler all the way to the dovetail. Something else that's also different on this model is this one does have standard a cambered beam with an underbridge framing, and it takes a lot of deflection from any load that you're going to be putting on the trailer. This trailer is available in 19+5, 24+5, and it's also available in 30-foot straight deck with 9-foot aluminum slide in the back ramps. This is the SS part on this trailer. This trailer comes, these are 10,000 pound axles on super single tires. So these are a 215 75 17.5. This is a commercial tire. It's rated for 18 ply. Weight rating on the tires alone is 4,805 pounds. So that gives you next to 20,000 pounds just on the trailer without factoring your hitch transfer. The most popular dovetail configuration on this trailer is the +5 with the max ramps. These are spring assist up and spring assist over. These are lay flat max ramps, and they latch in place. With this ramp configuration, you can haul your skid steer and your excavator to the job site depending on the size of that excavator, be able to utilize the entire flat deck of the trailer. The ramps and the dovetail are both self-cleaning, so should you be driving your machine up here and it's loaded with mud or whatever else from the job site, it's not going to collect and hang up on the trailer in order to fall off going down the road. It's going to be able to fall straight down through, and also this gives you plenty of traction when climbing up the dovetail. On the bumper, these are all sealed LED lights and wiring. For more information on our B-MAXX series, keep an eye out on our social media and on our website for more products that are going to be coming to you every single week and month throughout 2026. Check us out on the website at buckeyetrailers.com. Until then, I will see you in the fast lane. Take care, everybody.